To this indictment, we turn now to Kyron Neveau, joining me now in studio. He has been watching this entire thing unfold.
Well, Sharice, the moment that indictment became public, we heard reaction from past and present elected officials. We also spoke with some attorneys who said this could get very ugly for the state of Louisiana as a whole. Former New Orleans Mayor Mark Murrill agreed with the grand jury's decision Thursday, saying Attorney General Liz Murrow's threats against Mayor Moreno, members of the city council, and District Attorney Jason Williams was unethical.
This business of attacking New Orleans, coming from the governor and the attorney general, is so backwards, so unnecessary. It reminds us of 1950s Louisiana.
The indictment stemmed from the debate earlier this year over the elimination of the Orleans Parish Clerk of Criminal Court Office, when Mayor Moreno and the council voted to install an interim clerk, but Murrow sent them letters warning that they risk losing their elected positions if they didn't stop that process. Moreno responded in a statement Thursday about the indictment, saying, "My focus, as always, remains on fulfilling the responsibilities the people of New Orleans elected me to carry out." But attorney Bill Aaron told us this tension between the city and the state could ultimately hurt the public.
Problem is that you have a war going on between the city and the state, and it seems to be escalating.
We're living in an environment where I've never seen such elevated social distrust and loss of confidence.
Governor Landry said that he would pardon Murrow and called the court system kangaroo. But according to Louisiana law, the governor may grant pardons to those convicted of crimes against the state, but only with the approval from the Board of Pardons. He followed up saying he is asking state police to conduct their own investigation into the alleged improprieties of this grand jury. The Attorney General responded, saying, "I will be immediately filing an emergency supervisory writ with the Louisiana Supreme Court. Hopefully this will be sorted out quickly." But WWL political analyst Dr. Salis Lee says it could take a while.
This is not Law and Order. This is not CSI, where the issues will be resolved in a very short amount of time.
We also asked Dr. Lee if Attorney General Liz Murrow can continue her work at this time. He said yes, but obviously this will be in the back of her mind.